Many users complained that after iOS 18 update, the documents they scan are so large. Now this is a common issue faced by many users after the iOS 18 update. So in this video, I will guide you with how you can fix this issue on your iPhone. So for this, open the Notes app on your iPhone. Now tap on this icon to create a new note. Now tap on this icon and then tap on Scan Documents. Now, before you scan the document, tap on this icon and then select Grayscale. Now, scan the document like this. Tap on Keep Scan. Now, this will scan the document in black and white, but this will fix large document issue after iOS 18 update. Tap on Done to save the document. Tap on Save. And the work is now done. So this is how you can fix large document scan issue after iOS 18 update. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.